It's firework night here in the UK. So we've got our fireworks ready just for the kids. Me and Amy, Reborn mummy friend. Just for our little ones, so we've got some fireworks. We got some sparklers. And we've got toffee apple for pudding. A chocolate and marshmallow apple. Toffee apple cider, which I've warmed up so we can have. And we've also got jacket potatoes, baked beans and cheese. So we celebrate Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night because in 1605, I think it was 1605, Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up the King and the Houses of Parliament. So we celebrate now that the King lived and Guy Fawkes didn't win. So we should have a guy to put on the fire. And I've done a little fire and I'm going to do these little fireworks. No any little ones, but you're welcome to watch. So there's Amy and Annie and Amy's little girl Amelia warming by the fire. That's our little bonfire. They're all wrapped up in the warm. Annie with her pink hat on and her pink all-in-one. Amelia in her pink hat and her pink coat. Girls are in pink today and they're wrapped up in Auntie's blanket. And there's the wood for the fire. And look at Frankie. Frankie's in silver cross wafer, wrapped up as snug as a bug in a rug because she didn't want to wear a coat. She looks pretty cool in there actually. And there's the fire. Actually, for £6, 6 poons, they're not bad, are they really?
They're not. I think 8 metres is a bit far twisted away.
I agree. It's not like it being shut up. So I really do want to play, Mum. I really want to chase them. They look hideous on the video. They look rubbish.
They really have to get pictures of too.
Yeah, this is like a load of smoke. Yeah, I like that one. That's a pretty one. Okay. Ooh, that one's going to fly off because he's on the ground. He's going to set fire to the ground, this one. It's a shame. That's a shame. Right, this is called Scarlet Ray. Scarlet Ray.
Are you sure you can read?
Can't see. I'm blind. Wow, right. berry one. Thunderstorm.
These fireworks aren't perfect for kids though, aren't they?
Yeah. To this line. Find the lighty bit. Oh, that's a small lighty bit on there. Yeah, they're perfect, aren't they, for people with little kids? They get bored, don't they? Fed up?
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo.
Yay! It's a triangle one. Well, that was rubbish. That was
The girls
rubbish.
enjoyed it.
The girls enjoyed it?
They did.
Did you? Did you enjoy the bright lights? Oh. Oh. So we've had the fireworks and we've had tea, and now they're trying to make me get out of the way. They don't want me videoing them because they're trying to watch Frozen, because we are all frozen outside, weren't we, Auntie Amy?
We sure were.
And me and Auntie Amy are having our toffee apples. Nom 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 nom. And look at Harry. It's dark in here. Oh, I'll put some light on. Oh, Harry, he's eating his toys.